Before learning how to use the Grade Center, you must first gain an understanding of the different options and when it is best to use them. When you want to add grades that are not automatically added into the Grade Center by Blackboard, you must create a column using the Create Column button. Use the Create Calculated column to create total columns, average columns, weighted columns, and minimum and maximum columns. Manage is used to organize columns and arrange the Grade Center. It is through here you can create grading scales and show and hide columns to users. Under Manage, you can use categories to organize the gradebook. You can use categories to group related columns together and organize data. The Grade Center creates 8 categories by default: Assignment, Blog, Discussion, Journal, Self and Peer, Survey, and Test. The last button in the Grade Center is Reports. This allows you to get an overview on how a student or multiple students are doing in the course or on a particular assignment.